In the previous video, we were able to discuss about circle, the length of an arc. But in calculating perimeter of a sector, what is perimeter? Perimeter is the sums of the sides of a figure or an object. But today we have to solve this. Before I continue solving, if you are new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification so you will be notified anytime I'm releasing a video. So let's go to the to solve this question. The question says that calculate the perimeter of a sector of a circle of radius 7 centimeters, the angle of the sector being 108. So let's try to solve this solution. Let's try to draw the arc the sector is talking about. This is a sector, and it possesses an angle, so being 108 degree. And it said the radius of the sector is 7 centimeters. So if you are now to find the perimeter, in finding a perimeter, this will represent the length of an arc. The length of an arc. So the perimeter will be, the formula for perimeter will be the length of an arc plus the two radius, 7 centimeters plus 7 centimeters. So now, since we're able to know where we are going to, so what exactly thing that we need is now to find the length of the arc. So whereby which we have the length of an arc, which is theta over 360 times 2 pi r. So what is the value of our theta is 108 over 360 times 2 times, we were given pi to be 22 over 7, which is 22 over 7 times 7. So let's try to find the value for the length now. So let's just remove this out of the game. So we have 108 times 2 times 22 over 360. So let's use our calculator to find the value. So which is 108 times 44, which is 4,752 divided by 360. So which is divided by 360, it gives us 13.2 centimeters. So the length of the arc is 13.2 centimeters. And we are to find perimeter of a sector. And I'm able to define the meaning of perimeter. Perimeter is the sum of the all sides of a figure or a shape. So we now deduce a formula to have length plus 7 plus 7. So the perimeter now, perimeter of the sector will now give us 13.2 centimeters plus 7 centimeters plus 7 centimeters, which is 13.2 centimeters plus 14 centimeters. So the final answer will now give us plus 14, which is 27.2 centimeters. So this is how to find the perimeter of a sector. So thanks.